Ketanji Brown Jackson is now the first black woman nominated to become a Supreme Court justice. President Joe Biden is making good on his campaign promise to make this historic nomination. Tonight we're learning more about the justice and how she could shape the future of the highest court in the nation. KPRC 2's Taisha Walker has a story now from the newsroom. Taisha?
Lauren, Judge Jackson has already been confirmed 3 times by the U.S. Senate during her career. One local law professor we spoke to today says it could be very likely to be a 4th time based on the judge's qualifications.
Judge Ketanji Jackson.
Judge Ketanji Jackson has officially been nominated to the United States Supreme Court. The D.C. Court of Appeals judge had been considered the frontrunner for the vacant seat long held by Supreme Court Justice Stephen Breyer, whom she's clerked for. The historic announcement also fulfills Biden's campaign promise to appoint a black woman to the highest court in the land.
She would be the only justice currently on the Supreme Court who served as a public defender.
U of H law professor Renee Kanaki Jefferson says Judge Jackson would further diversify the Supreme Court well beyond just being a black woman.
I'll have the privilege of asking the judge some hopefully tough questions, but fair questions, and getting her commitment not to be just another politician wearing black robes who doesn't run for election.
Republican U.S. Senator John Cornyn of Texas says he expects there will be unity and civility during what will be Judge Jackson's 4th Senate confirmation hearing. He says he hopes it will be different than Justice Brett Kavanaugh's hearing, which he called an embarrassment.
She may be faced with grueling questions, but at the end of the day, it's going to be very difficult for these senators who supported her a year ago to now suddenly not continue to support her.
It will take 51 votes in the Senate to confirm a new Supreme Court justice. Live in the newsroom, Taisha Walker, KPRC 2 News.